Lance, it's been wonderful to have you on the team here at Truth Publications. And tell me about the work that you do there with the bookstore.
Well, that's a large question, Mark. I've very much enjoyed being a part of this team. As the director of operations, I spend my days doing a lot of different things. A lot of it's not real glorious work. A lot of it is behind the scenes, just being sure that things are in place in the bookstore, being sure that books in our production continue to get out to the market, to the customers. And then even with this Truth Lectures 2018 coming up, doing some of the groundwork to be sure that the facility is ready and different items that need to be done here locally get where they're supposed to be. So I kind of do whatever is needed in that regard and serve as the manager here at the bookstore and enjoy every day of it. Ultimately, we're putting good material in the hands of great people, and we're always excited about that.
Yeah. It's been great to work with you. You have been a wonderful addition to the overall team, and we're so happy to have you as a part of this effort.
I really appreciate it.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Tell us something about the team that you work with, and give us a thumbnail sketch of maybe each of the people who are there at the bookstore.
We have an excellent team here in the bookstore. You'll hear repeatedly how happy people are to call and be able to meet the Southern hospitality on the other end of the phone. And, really, we are nothing without the people here at CEI Bookstore. Tammy is excellent as our sales manager at getting customers the information they need and helping them find the products that best suit their needs. Carrie Calvert, Joan Hughes, and Rebecca Craig, they serve as the other frontline customer service ladies that so many will deal with day in and day out on the phone and in the bookstore. We have a couple of part-time folks that help us out quite a bit, Jeremy Neas and Olivia Rigsby. You'll see them a lot on Saturdays and throughout the week as we need extra coverage in the bookstore. Herbert Alexander is our shipping and warehouse manager, and he does an excellent job being sure that everything is handled to a very high level of quality and getting packages out. And he's also an excellent resource for knowledge, even of the books within the bookstore. So many that come and visit the store like to speak to Mr. Herbert and get his insights on things. And Jonathan Winland, he's kind of like me, many times behind the scenes. You may not see our face out front all the time, but as he serves as our accounting clerk, he's very important in our day-to-day operations, being sure that everything gets taken care of day in and day out.
Great. It's a great group of people, and we do love and appreciate everybody that's associated with CEI Books.